そうそうそう、うん、だからいろいろ、はいはいはいはい、あ、なるほどね、まあ上がったにしてもそうだよね、うん、あ、当たりますよね、よくね、ここのベルをね、取れば、でもまあ75だとダメだね、多分ね、はい、
普通にしたら多分ここら辺も多分ガッチガチ多分当たるっすよね。
ああですよね、うんうんうんうんうん、いやいやいやいや、じゃあ、うん、部品が来てから、すみません、持って帰ります、乗るかな、これ、別の車で行った方がいいね。あ、Today, I will install the big tire, empty tire, Toyo's in the open country. Open countries. Genuine oil is 16 inches, and this is 15, maybe, maybe 15, and the 75% height, and the 225 centimeters wide. Yes, I try it. Maybe the tire will touch the front bumper, and I must cut the bumper. Yeah. Yes, easy to find the check-in point here. Yes, this center of the visitors. Yes, lifting up. Very light car. Easy. Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. It's a very serious problem. Yeah. Normal tire is very light, I think. Yes, 70 kilogram. 70. How many kilograms heavier than normal? Yes. Yes, 27. 10 kilogram. 10 kilogram. 17 and 27. 10 kilogram heavier. Yes, the Toyo tire is very light, I heard. Comparing. It's be a good reach. But the horn is very, yes, maybe heavy. Yeah, Japanese brand, but it has rings. Yes, it's very heavy. The foil's rim is wide. Usually everyone uses a 6J, but this is 7J. And the wheel stretches the tire and height becomes shorter. Maybe no touching, no problem. Okay. Little bit touching, but not a big problem. Okay. And this side, the other side. Touching? No touching? Yes, bigger than normal. And rise up the height, maybe around 1 inch. Yeah, yes. And it is not necessary to cut off the bumper, maybe. Yeah, very good combination. Yes, it is. Okay. Yes, it's very hard work for old man. Comparing it to Fuji Cruiser, it's easier. Yeah, but very clean, quite new. Yeah, quite new. It's becoming higher, they say. Using this size tire, it's becoming higher than normal, about 1 inch, 2.54 centimeter. Yes, becoming higher. It's very good. Looks good. Yes, looks good. It's poor, like a K car, but this side is very good. Yeah. Cute girl's car. Yes, macho man's car. Yeah. Okay. Yes, but quite new. Yes, clean. And beautiful. Yeah. But small. Small spring. Yes, it's cute, very cute. Comparing with A86, this car's parts is very small. A86 is a Corolla, but this is based on Japanese K car, light car, so that their parts is very small and cute. Yeah, this side is also cute. Okay. Yes, looks good. Yes, very good. It's not necessary to rise up the height suspension. It's enough. 1 inch is enough. Maybe. That's very good. Good. Nice. Yes. I must put off the blue painting. Yes. Very nice looking. Yes. Very nice. Okay. Yes. Good. Good. That's very good. Yes, nice. Quite nice. Same inches. The same inches. The size is different. The frame size is the same. I believe this is different. The 8 shape and 7 shape.多分下のベロを取れば引っかからないような気がしますね。ありますか？いや、ベロ取り。ここのif you put off the bolt, opposite side of rivet appears. Most easy way to put off the rivet is using a drill. Well, it was really当たってるなかったね。It's necessary to cut off this area. The tire's outside touches. Yes, left side full lock. No sound. It clears. Yes. It doesn't touch it. Yes. If you pull off the inner fastener and the pull off the lips, with a rivet. It's enough to escape the tire. 225 and 75% and 16 inches hole. Yeah, tire. Open country. Easy. Yes, in my case. 225 and 75% and 16 inches. And open country, empty. Just you put off the rivet using a drill and put off the fastener and put off the fastener and push into the other side, opposite side. It's enough to escape. Yes, this way. And I put off the rivet just using a drill. Yes, and after that, put off the fastener here. Put into inside, opposite side. Make it opposite side. It gets opposite side, inside. Yes, that's all. It's enough to escape. After that, I drove my Sheila with a big tire, and I get into my office. On the gate, there is a different level step exists, and they hit somewhere inside the whole house. Yes, maybe it is impossible to know jack upping or something like that, and the stopping and the checking the clearance. Yes, the moving and the get into the big steps and the jumping. Everything is different. Yes, hit somewhere maybe. Anyway, you had better to rise up your big height with a big tire anyway. But ordinary driving, almost no problem. This time is a light modification, peel offing the small lips and snaps and something like that. It's enough to drive the ordinary pace in downtown. But the jump into your office with a high speed, something like that, it's somewhere. You had better to rise up the height of big one.